Right now, somewhere in your Zendesk queue, there are tickets that have not moved in weeks. And nobody is watching them. They inflate your backlog, skew your resolution metrics, and consume hours of manual cleanup your team cannot afford. Tickets go pending, customers go silent, and your queue bloats into a graveyard of ghost conversations. Manual cleanup takes time agents do not have, and your SLA numbers drift further from reality with every ticket that slips through. The fix is a 3-step automation sequence: a friendly nudge at 48 hours, a final warning at 5 days, and an automatic solve at 7 days. Tickets that nobody is responding to get handled without any agent touching them. Triggers fire instantly when something changes. They are wrong for this job. Automations run hourly and check time-based conditions, which is exactly what stale ticket cleanup needs. The difference between these two tools is what makes the whole workflow possible. Each automation adds a tag and excludes that tag from its own conditions. This is what keeps tickets moving through the sequence exactly once. Without tags, a ticket pending for 7 days would trigger all 3 automations at the same time and send 3 emails in a single hour. Head to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, then Automations. This is where you will build all 3 automations in your sequence. Click Add Automation and give your first one a clear, descriptive name you will recognize later. For the first reminder, set 3 conditions. Ticket status is less than solved, hours since pending is greater than 48, and the tag Stale Reminder 1 is not present. These 3 together find tickets that are pending, have been sitting for 2 days, and have not been reminded yet. The actions are straightforward. Send a friendly check-in email to the requester, then add the tag Stale Reminder 1. That tag does 2 jobs. It marks the ticket as reminded, and it prevents this automation from firing again on the same ticket next hour. The second automation requires the first tag to be present, which is how it knows to run only on tickets that already received the initial nudge. At 120 hours, 5 days, it sends a final warning that the ticket will close in 48 hours, then adds Stale Reminder 2 and to advance the sequence. The third automation runs at 168 hours, 7 days, and only on tickets tagged with Stale Reminder 2. The single action, set status to solved. Zendesk's built-in automation then closes it automatically 4 days later, so you do not need to build that part yourself. Create a view filtered by the Stale Reminder 2 tag to see every ticket your workflow has processed. This gives you full visibility into what is being closed, lets you catch edge cases that need human review, and shows you whether your timing needs to be adjusted. Time-based rules are reliable, but they cannot read what a customer actually said. Eesel AI integrates directly with Zendesk and adds context awareness on top, closing simple requests faster, flagging billing disputes regardless of timing, and letting you define logic in plain English. Your support queue should be focused on active conversations, not a graveyard of silent tickets. Build your stale-close workflow today and let eesel AI handle the edge cases. Get started at eesel.ai.